We have gone over a lot of important information about soil, and today we're going to cover another topic, soil structure. So stay tuned for Soils with Sorel. Soil structure is really easy to get confused with soil texture. In previous lessons, we covered soil texture, which is how the soil feels, along with the different texture feelings, including sand, silt, and clay. Soil structure is not about how the soil feels or how fine the grains are. It's about how the soil is layered and what its shape is. Soil structure is influenced by another topic we covered, CLORPT. Do you remember CLORPT? It stands for climate, organisms, relief, parent material, and time. Soil shape is important because it creates the air and water pockets within a soil horizon, which we know are important for root growth and soil stability. If a soil has a structure that allows water to run through it, then it won't be able to support root growth because roots can't get to that water. For the most part, each soil horizon will have its own soil structure, which helps to support the surrounding horizons. Soil structure also helps to support a soil's strength, which is really important in engineering. A building won't be very stable if it's built onto a soil structure that shrinks and swells with water, because this can compromise the structural integrity of the building. So let's talk about the four main types of soil structure: spheroidal, also known as granular, plate-like, block-like, and prism. Spheroidal, aka granular, are shaped like roundish pebbles. They are found mostly in A horizons, the surface horizons, and have a granular shape because environmental factors such as rain, wind, cold, and heat contribute to smoothing and shaping soil aggregates into pebble forms. These are the soil particles you will see and feel in the upper couple of inches of your garden or land. They stack on top of each other like rocks or marbles, and because of their shape, they leave large openings between themselves for air and water. Granular is a good structure for plant growth because roots can grow down into crevices and search for air and water pockets while extracting nutrients from the surrounding aggregates. Plate-like are shaped like flat plates. These are mostly found in the E horizon, which is the horizon that looks white because it's been leached of iron, clay, or other minerals. It's deeper than spheroidal soils, which is one of the reasons why it has a flat, compressed shape. Plate-like is hard to grow in because the air and water pockets that roots need are between the plates, so roots will have to grow through them rather than around the aggregates. Block-like is shaped like, blocks. They are found in areas of high humidity and are mostly found in the B horizon. They get their shape from being mostly clay and environmental factors causing them to shrink, swell, and compact. Blocky soils are difficult for plants to grow in because they don't create very good air and water pockets for roots. Their shape can also create sharp edges and long empty channels for roots to travel down to find nutrients, which is not a good use of the root's energy. Prismatic are very similar to block-like aggregates, except they are shaped like long rectangular vertical prisms. They are found in the B horizons in arid regions like the desert. They get their shape because they shrink and swell with water due to their high clay content. This creates large cracks between the aggregates that continue down, which makes their column shape. Prismatic structures are not good for plant growth because just like block-like, they create long empty channels for roots to travel down to find nutrients, which is not a good use of the root's energy. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching my channel. On the next episode, we're going to be talking about soil microorganisms. So until then, you know what to do. Save the soil.